Hello everyone. So I didn't fill out a lot of these beginning pages with you. So I do have a 24 and 2024. This home projects again is going to be with my partner, so I'm not going to fill that out. And then some of this stuff is not really applicable yet. However, before we start 2024, I do want to address my 24 and 2024 and kind of have a plan for it. I hate how this looks. So I am actually going to cover it with the same style that I've done my header pages with. I might do that in some of the others as well. It can't quite cover, but if I use some white out, I think it'll be fine. So I think what I want to do with this is to do big black dots. And kind of do similar to what I did in 2023, where I had a silver dot and then I filled it in, and then I used black to change the number. So it was like an open circle, the number, and then I colored it all in silver, and then I would put black once the thing was done. So I think I'm going to do the opposite here, where I do the black, fill it in, and then use silver to mark in the number to say that it was completed. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, now that that is all done, I didn't really leave myself a bunch of room. I think I'm gonna write it under instead of next to, since I did that. Except for this one. This one's gonna be big, because the first one is getting married. So we are getting married at a courthouse before we do our like bigger ceremony type thing. So we're just gonna do like a little small thing at a courthouse first. So we will be getting married in early 2024. So I'm very excited about that. I'm probably gonna doodle as well. So the number 2 is going to a Mets game. So I'm just gonna put Mets game. I'm not gonna like write it out. And then the next one is a Yankees game. And then a Rangers game. Those are kind of the staples. We want to hit at least one game of all of our favorite teams. We don't really do the Giants. One, because the Giants have stunk in the past. And two, the Giants tickets are so expensive. I mean, the Rangers tickets are also expensive, but... number 5 is running in a 5K. And then I have number 6 as running in a 10K, but I think I'm going to make that number 10 since 5 matched up with 5 so well. So that would make number 6 trying a new restaurant. And number 7 would be writing a book. Number 8 is go to Florida. Number 9 is start sign language courses. So I'm just gonna put sign language here. Obviously I have number 10, so number 11 is going for a bike ride. And 12 is going for a hike. Number 13, book a massage. 14 is host a holiday / birthday. I'm just gonna put host here. Number 15 is a social media break. 16 is paint on a canvas. 17 is repainting my office. I'm not really happy with it right now. 18 is go to a festival. 19 is the total solar eclipse. There's supposed to be one in the US in April 2024. Number 20, I have get a tattoo. I think I'm gonna get my dog's noses. 21 is a pedicure. 22 is save for a house. 23 is eat at a food truck. And then 24 I'm gonna leave just for me. So that is what I've got. Like I said, I think I might doodle in here a little bit. I kind of wish I didn't put that heart, just because that's the only one that like has a heart. So now I kind of want to go through and put hearts everywhere. Okay. I'm weird like that. Okay. So then I might doodle. I'm still not sure. So those are all my 24 in 2024. Let me know what 24 things that you want to do in 2024. Again, I will be taking a break from social media. So definitely let me know in the comments below, because I definitely want to see that before, because I won't be having a bunch of check-ins all year about my 24 and 2024. So I definitely want to hear what your plans are. So thank you so much. And I hope this video was fun, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.